Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency, also known as cryptocurrency, that operates without a central authority or banks. It was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public, distributed ledger called a blockchain. Now, you might be wondering how to use Bitcoin. First, you need a Bitcoin wallet, which can be an app on your smartphone, a software on your computer, or even a hardware device specifically designed to store cryptocurrencies. This wallet holds your private keys, which you use to access and manage your Bitcoins. Once you have a wallet, you can obtain Bitcoin in a few ways. You can buy it from various exchanges using traditional currency, receive it as payment for goods and services, or even mine it, although mining can be quite resource intensive. To make a transaction, you need the recipient's Bitcoin address. Open your wallet, enter the recipient's address, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and confirm the transaction. The Bitcoin network will process and verify the transaction, which is typically completed within a few minutes. Remember, while Bitcoin provides an interesting and secure way to handle transactions, it's essential to stay informed about its risks and market volatility. Thank you for listening.